Welcome to 2-in-1 Bird and Math Quiz number 3. Similar to the previous quizzes, the intent is to guess the bird at the end of the video from the photos that will be shown throughout the video. Or, if you do not know the answer, learn the new bird. In addition to that, we'll do a quick 5-question math quiz. First, we will look at the photos of the bird we need to identify. Then, we will complete a short 5-question math quiz. And finally, we will guess the name of the bird. Please pay attention to the photos 1, 2, and 3. And note, there is a hint provided. The name of this bird is made up of 2 words. The first word starts with letter B, and the second word starts with letter J. Now, before we guess the name of the bird, let's do a quick math quiz. 2 apples plus 1 apple equals 3 apples. 4 apples plus 2 apples equals 6 apples. 4 apples plus 4 apples equals 8 apples. 3 apples plus 4 apples equals 7 apples. 5 apples plus 5 apples equals 10 apples. Hopefully you got all the answers right. Now, let's guess the bird. This is a medium-sized bird, between 25 to 30 centimeters in length. It weighs between 70 and 100 grams, and its wingspan is anywhere between 34 and 43 centimeters. Do you know the answer? Give it a try. This bird is a blue jay. Congratulations to all that guessed it.